This plant can send you to the hospital or save you from flu season. And most people don't know the difference. Last flu season, my neighbor was bedridden for a week. Me? I walked out to my backyard, picked a handful of deep purple berries, and made my own immunity syrup at home. No pharmacy lines, no $45 bottles. Today, I'm introducing you to elderberry, the plant that won the Award of Garden Merit from the Royal Horticultural Society. That's the highest honor a plant can receive. But here's the thing. Eat it wrong, and you'll end up in the ER. Stay till the end, and I'll show you how to turn poison into medicine. The best part? This plant grows itself like magic. No babying, no watering schedule. It's the lazy gardener's dream pharmacy. By the end of this video, you'll know how to plant, harvest safely, and save hundreds of dollars every season. Your neighbors will think you hired an herbalist. Let me ask you this. How much did you spend on supplements last year? Elderberry syrup alone runs $40 to $50 a bottle at Whole Foods. And if you got sick twice in one winter, that's over $100 every single year. Now imagine never having to buy that bottle again. This is Sambucus nigra, the European elderberry. It's been called the medicine chest of the common people for centuries. And here's the science. Elderberry has double the antioxidants of blueberries. It's a steel shield protecting you from those nagging winter coughs. The global elderberry market just hit $1.2 billion. But you don't have to spend a dime on that market. You can grow your own. This plant is a survival warrior. It laughs at frost. It shrugs off drought. And it rewards your neglect with hundreds of dollars worth of berries and flowers. If plants had personalities, elderberry would be the wise grandmother. Never complains, always has medicine ready. But here's what the supplement companies won't tell you. Raw elderberries are toxic. The leaves, the bark, unripe berries, even the seeds inside ripe berries. They all contain cyanogenic glycosides. Just a few green berries and your stomach will clench like someone's squeezing it in a fist. Eat them raw, and you could end up in the emergency room. Don't worry. I'm going to show you the exact process to neutralize these toxins. It's simple, it's safe, and it's been passed down by grandmothers for hundreds of years. But first, let's make sure you can actually grow this plant in your climate. Here's the good news. Elderberry grows in zones 3 through 9. That covers almost the entire United States and Canada. Whether you're dealing with Minnesota winters or Florida heat, this plant survives. Go to planthardiness.rc.usda.gov. Enter your zip code. If you're in zones 3 to 9, you're good to grow. Quick question. Are you in zone 6 or colder, or zone 7 or warmer? Drop your zone in the comments. I read every single one. Now here's the tip for lazy gardeners. You don't need to buy a $50 plant from the nursery. Take a 6-inch cutting, stick it in a glass of water on your kitchen counter. In 2 to 3 weeks, you'll have roots. Plant it. Done. I call this free plant propagation, and it works every time. Plant in full sun or partial shade. Water once a week the first year. After that, it practically waters itself. Bonus tip. Plant 2 varieties for better cross-pollination. You'll get up to 50% more berries. I recommend Black Lace and Black Beauty. They're gorgeous and productive. Want your elderberry to stay forever young? Here's the secret. The 1/3 rule. Every winter, cut out 1/3 of the oldest canes, right at ground level. This forces the plant to push new shoots from the roots. Fresh canes mean more berries, and you never have to reach high to harvest. I call this the reset button for your plant. This is especially important for us. No ladders, no reaching over your head. Everything at comfortable height. Smart gardening, not hard gardening. But elderberry isn't just for you. The flowers feed bees in spring. The berries feed birds before winter migration. Plant this, and your garden becomes a wildlife sanctuary. That's the kind of garden that makes neighbors stop and stare. Quick poll. Are you more excited about making syrup or attracting birds to your garden? Let me know in the comments. Harvest when berries are completely black and slightly soft. Usually late August through September. One mature plant can give you 10 to 15 pounds of berries per year. Enough for flu-fighting syrup, breakfast jam, and homemade wine for the whole family. Bonus tip: don't throw away the flowers. Dried elderflowers make the most relaxing sleep tea you've ever had. It's nature's sleeping pill. Now, let's close that loop. How do you turn toxic berries into safe medicine? Step 1. Remove all stems. Even tiny green bits contain toxins. Use a fork or your fingers to strip berries from the cluster. Step 2. Put berries in a pot and cook them. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Heat completely destroys the cyanogenic glycosides in the flesh. The berries will turn mushy and release deep purple juice. Step 3. Strain through a sieve or cheesecloth. Press gently with a spoon to extract all the liquid. The seeds and pulp stay on top. Throw them away. Seeds are too hard for heat to penetrate, so they remain toxic even after cooking. That's it. 3 steps. Grandmothers have been doing this for hundreds of years. Now you know too. Follow these steps, and your homemade elderberry syrup is just as safe as that $45 bottle. Actually safer, because you control the ingredients. Next flu season, while everyone else is standing in line at the pharmacy, you could be brewing your own medicine from your own backyard for free. If this video helped you plan your elderberry garden, hit that subscribe button. I share lazy gardening secrets every week. And drop a comment below. Will you try the syrup first or the flower tea? Happy gardening, folks. See you in the next one.